get started. So I need a 8mm. I would like to clean this all before I start, but I do not have pressure washer at the moment. My pressure washer has been broken and does not work at the moment. So I'm gonna just have to clean, make sure that nothing gets on the inside and wipe it all down after. If I was if I was you, I would definitely give it a pressure wash all around where you're working, so you know that you won't get any dirt inside your inside you. The stator that I have got is, I don't think it's branded. I've just found it on eBay. I will put it there, a link to it in the description of the video. I'm pretty sure, yes, that blue thing is supposed to unplug, and these supposed to unplug. Yeah, that's right. Unplug them, and then you have to pull this, plug this. Alright, that is not that one. That's not this one, is it? Let me check. Oh, it is. Things over it. They look like rubber bands. No, they're not. They're hard. I heard this is supposed to be very easy, but I don't know. It's kind of annoying. I really should have made everything clean. It's probably a 10. Oh, it's not. Okay, so that's over here. Alrighty. I'll wash my hands because I do not want to get this dirty. And I couldn't find any gloves, so it's whatever. I will cut the video in a second after I've put it all together, so I can find the exact torque specs, so I know I'm not making any mistakes, because you definitely don't want to do that, make mistakes, eh? Otherwise you have to redo what I'm doing, which is not fun. Well, I'm having fun, but it's not fun when you have to redo everything, eh? Yeah, do not tighten them too much before you find out your torque specs. You don't want to mess up your threads or anything, or looks like that goes on top. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll move that for you. Right, make sure there's no dirt on it. Especially that it's going in now. Ah, I did not pull that hard enough. Oh no, I'm pinching the cables. Alright, let's hope it's good now. Yeah, trial and error, guys. You guys won't have to make the mistakes I do, because you'll see the mistakes I do. Yeah. There we go. Let's hope I did not pinch it and cut those wires, because, yeah, that would not be good at all. Not one bit. Okay, I do not know where that came from. Oh, yes I do. No. Oh, I gotta check if it's clean again. The gasket looks a little dirty. I gotta clean that. It's not good. I bent it a bit, but underneath, yeah, I made it a little dirty. Clean again. Alrighty. Now this should be final go. Please work. Like I said, I've not done this before, as you may tell as well. Alright, lovely. This magnet is so strong. We've got to get that second pin in because it's got different pins. There, it's in now. Alrighty. So that's all in. Now I've just got to screw all these on. And I will look for the torque specs in a second after I've done this. Should be all good after this, and I will be able to test it, put everything back together like my bike, and I will make a review on it some other time, and so you guys know if it's for you or not. No, just for anyone really, because I think I'm the first person to buy this off eBay. It's eBay, by the way. Yeah, I don't know if I said that. But yes. I wish you could use impacts in this. So much quicker, but I'd probably destroy the bike if I did that. Don't want to do that, do you? I guess you could if you wanted, but I'm not doing that. I'm not replacing threads on this thing. I had a KLX for this bike, and I did do a lot of work on that. The old owner had shredded so many threads, it was unbelievable, so bad. So I know not to make that mistake this time. Oh well, I didn't make the mistake, but I know. Yeah. That's done. Oh, my knees are sore. I'm going to have a look and see what the torque spec is. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, turns out it is 10 newton-meters. And I'm just going to do that with my hand and just guess 10. Oops, wrong way. Newton-meters is just like hand tight. Just turn it with your finger. If it gets hard to do with your finger, then say that's right, but you guys can obviously use the right tools. Alright. Going around checking it all now. Right. Now you got to put it through where it came from. Right through here, it's got to connect to that clip there, run through, connect to that blue cable, connects right there. Now, yellow and yellow. Alright. What? Well, I don't know why they're yellow and yellow, but I'm guessing that means they both are the same. And then you find a place for it to all go.